Hello and welcome to my video. In this video I'm showing off the work on the TDI. I have installed a rather large Holset HY35 and everything is all hooked up except for the upper intake. So boost hoses are all on all the way up. And I just need to finish the connection right here around and put the intake on, but once I put the intake on you can't see down here, so I thought I would make a video first. So the only thing I'm going to be changing up is this exhaust points right down and is rather close to a rubber part of the steering rack, which is hard to see down here. But for a quick less than 20-minute drive in the winter, this is going to work for a test drive. But I'm going to be bending the pipe right here to do a J underneath of the turbo and then go out the standard exit on the other side. So I'm going to get this pipe bent and I'm going to connect something to fix that. So it's not too big of a deal for now. But I just want to put this on here and get her out and drive it and see if it works. Make sure the turbo's good and everything before I continue. So I'm going to finish putting this together and I'll make another video. Take care.